So a blonde gets on a plane to go to San Francisco, and she has a coach seat, so she's sitting there and they take off and they're in the air and she can see up into first class to see that there's an empty seat. So she grabs all her stuff and she goes on up and sits down, and flight attendant comes over and says, "Ma'am, do you have a ticket for this seat?" She says, "Well, no, but no one's sitting here and I figure that's a perfectly good seat, so I'm gonna sit here." "Well, ma'am, if you don't have a ticket for first class, you can't sit here." "Well, I don't see why I can't sit here, so I'm not moving." So they go up and they notify the pilot. And the pilot says, "We'll just let her know that if she doesn't move, we're going to notify the authorities in San Francisco upon landing." So go back and they tell her, they say, "Listen, if you don't move, we're going to have to notify the authorities." She says, "Well, I'm not moving." So they go back to the pilot and the pilot says, "Well, just out of curiosity, what color's her hair?" "Well, I don't know why it matters, but she's blonde." "Oh, let me handle this. My wife's a blonde." So he whispers something into her ear. All of a sudden she goes, "Really?" And she gets all her stuff and she goes back to coach. "What did you tell her? That was amazing." "Oh, I just told her first class wasn't going to San Francisco."